this year, right now, how's this been for you? You've been cooped up in the house? What has it been?
Oh yeah, man. I mean, we just decided to stay home, heed everybody's advice not to get out on the roads, and so we're stocked up on everything, and just stayed home. And the kids came out, played in it every day. They were sliding around, sledding around, so they enjoyed it. And I just took the chance to be at home with my family, not have to go to work and everything, so enjoyed that part of it.
That's really nice.
Just staying safe, staying warm. Fortunately, no power outages. As you can see, our trees have been completely cut down to keep power lines nice and safe around here. Wasn't the prettiest thing, but hey, we've had power the whole time, so that's been good. Electricity went out a couple times here, just for short periods, but as far as any problems, no busted pipes, nothing like that. So fortunately for us, we haven't had any trouble. We were able to just enjoy the time together, But
Sure.
I know some of the friends and family that we got not so fortunate, different things happening, but so far everybody's been safe, so that's good.
That is good. And right now it's kind of the time, the first time we're all coming out. I've been just looking on the roads, there's so many people. What about you? You just went to the gas station,
Went to the gas station. I needed to fill up just in case. I know I probably should have done that beforehand, but and I went down the road and looking at everything, and took a few side roads just to get an idea of what it was like out there. So
Was it safe in your words?
There are still some pretty slick spots, especially at some of the intersections you come up to, so you still got to be pretty careful. I know they're talking about, with my job, putting our trucks back out sometime today maybe, so right now just waiting on that. So really no need for, if you don't have to go out, there's, like I said, still some slick spots. So but other than that, if you drive carefully, I guess it's okay. But
did you even dare get out like yesterday or the day before?
Man, not me. I just didn't have a reason to. I know my brother-in-law came over a couple times, and he's been out in it, and he'd give me reports like, "Oh, this road's like this or this," and I'm like, "You're just asking for trouble, aren't you?" But no, I just stayed home. Anything happens to me, I got a family to take care of, so didn't want to worry about that. So
no, sure, absolutely. Is there anything I'm not touching on you'd like to say?
Oh shoot, no, that seems like everything.
Oh, good deal then.
Hey,
thank you.